Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google image search on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. In order to actually use Google image search, you will have to, have the Google application installed. And to actually enable this option, all we have to do is press this little photo icon here in order to go to Google Lens. And here you can just click search, or even faster, if you have this typical widget on your home screen, you can just click here in order to use it. Now we can click this button to go through our gallery, though we have to allow access to our gallery first. So let's allow all, and here we can see our current screenshots. Now they're not very interesting, but I bet your screenshots are more interesting. So I'm going to simply click the settings here, and as you can see, I will just press got it. As you can see, now I'm searching for not like the prompt, but from the image that I've selected, and I have pretty nice looking searching. And obviously we can go for products, for homework, for basically anything that we want to. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.